About this item: solid copper quad shield 3GHZ 75 ohm coax cable for CATV, satellite TV, and broadband/high-speed internet, SWEP tested 5 MHz 3 GHz cable construction, 18 AWG pure copper, quad shield jacket, UV resistant PVC, braids, 34 AWG aluminum alloy, 60% and 40%. Coverage: foil shields, aluminum, 100% coverage, with 18% overlap, dielectric, gas-injected foam PE connectors, O-ring weather sealed, constructed with all brass compression connectors, PCTTRS6LMG, assembled in the USA by professionals at PHAT Satellite INTL 8 facilities across the USA. Please see other high-quality professional cables available from PHAT Satellite INTL in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: solid copper quad shield 3 GHZ 75 ohm coax cable for CATV, satellite TV.